Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you exactly how you can share Instagram story to your Facebook. So let's get started. It's pretty simple and easy. Make sure that you are logging in to your Facebook account on your Facebook app. So the next step is open up Instagram app, go to your profile, tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Then we should open main menu, tap on three lines at the top right corner. Proceed to settings and then select account. From accounts section, tap on sharing to other apps. If you not see this option, you should scroll down a little bit and find sharing to other apps. And here you will see Facebook. Tap on Facebook app. Then log in to your Facebook account if you're not logging it in. And then you should tap on continue. Here as you can see says my name on Facebook account. So you just tap on continue, choose where to share to and select where you want to share your Instagram story. Then tap on continue and tap on yes, finish setup. Just tap not now. And here you will see automatically share and select your Instagram story, and if you want it, of course, you can share your Instagram posts. So for example, alright, the next step is you just go back and try to add a new story, for example, and I show you how it's work. You just select it, and here at the bottom left you will see my icon on Instagram story and Facebook icon. So you just tap on your story, and now you can see, do you want to sync your name, but it's not now. Alright, as you can see, here is Instagram story. You just go back and open up in Facebook, then go to my profile, reload this page, and as you can see, here is the story. As you can see, tap on view story, and now we added a story. As you can see, it says just now posted. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.